we're going to install a program called PyCharm. It's a special kind of text editor called an IDE, which we will talk about more in the next lesson. This is optional as Python comes with its default IDE called IDLE, which you can use, but PyCharm is nicer.
Like Python, we're going to start by going to a website, specifically jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Note the poignant Download Now button, as it is what to press next. When pressed, the button will bring you to the download page, where you will have the choice between the professional and community versions.
For these lessons, we are going to be using the community version. Once you download the installer, run it and you should see a little pop-up that says, "Please wait while setup is loading." Soon the installer will open and you can continue. It's going to ask about a destination folder, but the default option is what you want to stick with unless you want it somewhere specifically.
On the next page, it's going to ask about a desktop shortcut, which you probably want. It's also going to ask about a file association, which is an important thing to bring up. Python code is saved in files that end in .py, and PyCharm wants to know if it should be associated, meaning it can be used to open those files, with .py files. Personally, I'm a fan of IDLE because it's really fast, but checking this box is probably a good idea for a beginner.
This next page will ask just about a start menu folder. It's not important, leave the default option be. You'll notice there's no next button but an install button. When clicked, PyCharm will begin installing, surprisingly enough. This may take us several minutes. It's probably a good idea to go up and go outside before you forget what the sun is like due to so much time spent trying to code Python in the dark.
Now that the installing process is finished, we can exit the installer and run PyCharm. We'll get things set up in the next lesson.